All right, so we have started talking about in your regular classes, I've talked about integers. And so one of the first things that I want us to do, if you notice around the room, see the capital letters, A, and there's B over there, C at the back of the room, D is at the whiteboard. We are going to play a game. This is one of my favorite games to play, and I've done it. I think this is the only class that hasn't used it yet this semester. But I call it Face Off.
Oh, man.
All right, so what's going to happen is I'm going to be giving you a question, and you're not calling anything out. You have to be silent. And we'll go through the answers, and then whenever I tell you to stand, you stand and face the direction of your answer. So if you think the answer is C, you would face the back of the room. If you think the answer is A, you face the front of the room, or B, or D, okay? You don't have to face the letter. Like if I'm here, the letter D is way over there. I don't need to stand on the diagonal. I just need to face this wall. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay? And then you'll sit back down, and then we'll do the next question. So it's important for me to see for these, we need to make sure that everybody's remembering some of the basic integer stuff, because if you don't know the stuff that you're going to do on face-off, the activities are going to be a little bit difficult. Yes, sir?
So why do we need a partner?
I will explain why you need a partner when it's partner activity time. I just had you go ahead and sit there, so that way you are already partnered up. All right. All right, first question. Here we go. First question, what are integers? So here are your choices. And do not call out, don't raise your hand. Remember, I'll tell everybody's going to stand up at the same time. So, letter A is positive and negatives, don't move. Letter B, numbers on the number line. Letter C, positive and negative whole numbers and zero. D, all the numbers that we use. So, take a second. Think of your answer. Own it, become it, feel it, and stand and face off. You don't have to walk to it, just face it. Whatever one you think is the correct answer, everybody should be standing and facing your answer. All right, have a seat. The correct answer is letter C. Enough. First, for positive and negative, we can't have fractions, we can't have decimals. So it's not just any positive number or any negative number. It has to be whole numbers. And this doesn't have zero. It can't be letter B, because numbers on the number line, we have fractions and decimals and all of those things. Can't include those. And then all the numbers we use, again, we use numbers besides whole numbers all the time. Okay? So understand how the game is played? All right, next one. All right, in the set below, so these numbers, which integer has the least value? Negative 9, 0, negative 1, or negative 19. So, a challenge has not been issued. All right, so take a moment. Least values. All right, stand and face off. Which one has the least value? All right, have a seat. Let's see. Look like everybody went with. And I'm so glad for that. All right, ready? All right, which of those same numbers has the greatest value? Which one's the... All right, stand and face off. Which one? Which one's the biggest? Stand. Yes, you have to stand. All right, have a seat. And the largest of these numbers is 0. Negative numbers are always smaller than 0, and they're always smaller than a positive number. Okay? Negative numbers are always the smallest. All right, on the number line, the number furthest to the left. So picture a number line, picture where 0 is. The left would be this direction, in case you get confused if you're right and left. Which has the numbers to the left. So are they the greatest, the least, are they the same, or is it just a number value? All right, so stand and face off. Numbers to the left on the number line. What value? And what number is it to the left on the number line?
Negative.
Negative. So you should be facing letter B. Good job. Have a seat. All right, next one. Numbers to the right. Numbers to the right. So same choices. Stand and face off. So numbers to the right are what numbers?
Greatest.
And what kind of numbers are they?
Positive.
Good. And so that would be greatest. Stop tapping, please. Thank me. All right, have a seat. Ready for the next one? All right, absolute value of a number is always A, 0 or larger, B, a fraction or decimal, C, negative, or D, positive. Decide and face off.
Oh, yeah.
Absolute values. Remember, that's the number. It has those two bars. It looks like a giant 11. Some of you are kind of standing like A-ish or C-ish ladies. You will not choose your group if you cannot participate appropriately. All right, have a seat. Absolute value is a distance, so it has to be 0. Now, the exception, let me say this. If you were finding the absolute value of 0, if you're finding the absolute value of 0, sit flat please, it will be 0. Okay? The absolute value is, because how far away is 0 from 0? 0, you're already there, right? So, 0 or larger should actually be our correct answer. You know what? I'm going to switch that. Yeah. So you should have been facing A. Because positive isn't enough. It's not just positive, because 0 is not positive, neither is it negative. So you have to have 0 or larger. All right. If I say a profit of $9, what kind of number? Positive, negative, 0, or you cannot tell. Stand and face off. So a profit of $9 is what kind of number? Let's go. Stand up. All right. Well done. That is a positive number. Have a seat. If you are wanting to, if you own a business, profit is good. Debt. Bad. Profit means you're making money. If something is in debt, then you owe money. All right, so then if you're next door, is that where you landed? So then on your next door, it takes you off where you keep counting, or if it's going to take you back to negative. You need to watch Any time
Oh my God. You winning again. I got 10. I need to Dad, 10 is bigger than negative. Yeah, that's negative. 10 is bigger than negative. It's the whole number.
I was on 7 now I'm here.
Alright, so now that you have all your cards sorted, right? Alright, so get your cards, shuffle them up just like if you were playing regular cards. Line them up. Watch out. So are they equal?
I don't know.
Let's mix these up. So that's Alright, now flip it. And so at positive 5, you have negative 5, which is bigger? Positive. So in your face, sister, she won all of those. Okay. So you would get all of those cards. So you're trying to see whoever has the biggest card wins.